Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your Chromebook supports Android apps and is updated. That matters because most live wallpaper solutions run via Android. Once done, enable Google Play in Settings and sign into a Google account. Make sure to free at least 500 MB and grant storage permission when prompted. This prevents install failures. If your device needs developer features for more advanced methods, toggle them now, but proceed only if you're comfortable with minor risk and backups. You install a reputable live wallpaper app from the Play Store and open it immediately to grant permissions. The app needs storage and possibly display over apps to render properly. Once permissions are set, pick a wallpaper and use the app's quality or performance slider. Lower settings save battery on lower-end Chromebooks. Then preview on both home and lock screens to ensure animations loop smoothly. If the app offers a Set as Wallpaper button, use that rather than manual export for fewer steps. You complete setup by observing battery and performance for a day. Live wallpapers can increase CPU use, so adjust settings if needed. If the wallpaper doesn't apply, force stop the app, reboot your Chromebook, then try again. This often clears permission or resource locks. If animations stutter, reduce frame rate or resolution inside the app. As a last resort, revoke and re-grant permissions or uninstall and reinstall. That fixes corrupted installs. Keep one key troubleshooting tip in mind.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.